Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you how to download the code from your Squarespace website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to export your site's content, which is super useful if you're planning to move to another platform, keep a backup, or just want more control over your website. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, so you won't miss anything important. All right, to start off, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account and head over to your website dashboard. When you're in, look for your site in the list and click on it. This is really important because if you have multiple sites under your account, it's easy to start working on the wrong one. So double check that you have the correct website selected. Next, over on the left side of the screen, you'll see a pane with several different options. Here, you're going to click on Settings. Think of settings as the control room for your website. Anything foundational like site details, billing, or, in our case, exporting content all lives right here. Once you're inside the settings menu, you'll want to scroll down. Depending on the theme or updates Squarespace has made, the exact location of the export option might shift a little, but keep looking for a section labeled Import and Export Content. It can take a moment to spot it. Don't worry if it's not right at the top. Just keep scrolling and go slow so you don't miss it. Now, click on Export. This is the key step for downloading your site's content, and Squarespace makes it pretty straightforward. When you tap Export, you'll see a few options pop up. For most people, especially if you're planning to move your content to another website platform, you'll want to select WordPress. Squarespace exports its content in a format that WordPress understands, which takes a lot of the headache out of migrations. Go ahead and select WordPress as your export type. Once you've done that, Squarespace will start generating an export file, which contains your website's pages, posts, images, and other content in a WordPress-friendly format. This part might take a few moments, especially if your site is packed with content. Be patient and don't worry if it seems slow. Squarespace is just bundling up everything for you. As the export is processing, you'll likely be asked to select which blog or collection you want to include. If your site has more than one blog or section, just pick the one you need, or do this step separately for each area. This gives you control, so you don't end up exporting parts you don't want or need. Once Squarespace finishes creating the export file, you'll see a download link. Just click Download and save the file to your computer. I usually recommend putting it somewhere safe and easy to find, maybe your desktop or a dedicated folder, so you have it ready if you need to upload to WordPress later, or keep it as a backup. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Squarespace website code, making it portable and ready for new adventures. If things didn't go as expected, double-check that you followed each step carefully. Sometimes, tiny details like which blog is selected can trip things up. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below. I always read through and try to help out. Finally, make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your website.